guys, today I want to show you how to use the King Steam Facial Steamer. In the box, you will receive your facial steamer that comes with instructions, and it also comes with 4 facial tools to help you get those blackheads out after steaming your face, as well as this insert which you can use to put a few drops of your favorite essential oil in. There's also a water tank in the back that you will pull out and fill it up with purified water. Once you plug it in, hit the power button, and in about 40 seconds you will start to hear a noise as the water heats up and you will see the steam coming out. Before you start, make sure you wash off all your makeup, and then you can do this right after washing your face, or you can do it while you are wearing your face mask. Make sure to keep it about 8 inches away from your face and let the steam do the magic work. The steam will help hydrate your face, open your pores. It feels so good and so relaxing. I just love how this facial steamer allows you to have your at-home spa treatment.